Hey, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. Today's one of our crazy North Carolina laws. This one makes some sense to me some of the time, but not the other time, okay? It is illegal to drive through a cemetery faster than 12 miles per hour. I get it during the day, but at night, nobody should be wandering around there, but it's still illegal to drive faster than 12 miles per hour, okay? Also, you are not allowed to just cruise through a cemetery in North Carolina. You're only allowed in city cemeteries if you're a vehicle associated with the maintenance, scheduled work, or a visitor with a disability, okay? Like for a licensed funeral. But you can't just go cruising cemeteries here in North Carolina. Further, the law provides it's unlawful for any person to use city cemeteries for a playground, okay? So, some of these people like to do photo shoots and things like that, or teenagers wander around graveyards. Not allowed here in North Carolina. Stay out of them. And remember always, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.